Hi, I'm Simon and welcome back to the SureView lab. In today's episode, we're going to use our new scheduling user interface to schedule an expected alarm. These are alarms we expect to be received into SureView at a specific time of the day. Common examples of these types of events are daily Berg panel signals or a notification of the arming of a building at the close of business. If SureView does not receive these alarms at the specified time, then an alarm will be raised to the SOC so the operator can take immediate action. In today's lab, we're going to set up an expected alarm for the arming of a building at the end of the day. So let's create the schedule. To access schedules, click on the main menu. To create a new schedule, select Add Schedule. The first thing we need to do is give our schedule a name. Let's call it Nightly Close. Next, we select the area where we expect this alarm. In this case, we select the Tampa office. For this type of event, we select the expected alarm schedule type from the drop-down. This will prompt us to choose the alarm point that we expect. In this case, we'll select the building armed. Next, we'll set the start and end time for our alarm. In our case, we want to start looking for this alarm between 5:30 and 6 p.m. at night. We set the repeat to every day. We don't want this schedule to expire, and we don't want this to run on public holidays. Click Add to enable the new schedule. Returning, we can see our new scheduler in the calendar or list view. Now that we've saved this schedule, let's go test it out. I'm going to make sure we don't receive any arming signals today between 5:30 and 6 p.m. You'll notice after 6 p.m. we did not receive any arm signals, so instead we got a notification that the building remains unarmed. The operator can now take action, potentially calling the facilities manager or on-site supervisor to find out why the system was not armed before close of business. This is just one simple example of how you can use schedules to run a more efficient security operation. Check out the other videos in this series and subscribe below to stay up to date with the latest from SureView.